Okay, so is GoPro better than iPhone in terms of the camera? Let's get started. So it is a very broad topic, but I'm gonna give you my experience and my personal view of this. So literally, I purchased a GoPro in order for me to allow me to make this type of tutorials, but using this camera, right? So I thought that I'm gonna put it over my head and I'm gonna just show you how you can use your phones and iPads and whatever and record it through this camera, which could work in theory, but it's probably not the best use of the GoPro. The reason being that the camera, even though it's good, it's mostly wide angle and it's not very good with focusing on tiny details. And when I want to show you phone and settings and whatever, using the camera on this, which doesn't focus perfectly on all of the things which I want to show, is not ideal. So if you want to record some details and like small shots and you want to be like professional with your camera, then I would personally prefer the one on the iPhone. But if you want to do some action sports and like action, camera is obviously going to be better for that, right? So it has like this nice connector at the bottom which you can strap to literally anything, right? There are so many different accessories where you can attach it, you can put it over your helmet, on a bike, on your body, anywhere you like. And iPhone just pales in comparison to that, right? The iPhone is much more fragile, there is a larger screen, and it is much easier to break, so it's kind of harder. It's not like you can just pop out the battery outside of the phone to replace it and just keep on continuing, with the shots. Or you don't even have an SD card which you could easily replace and just, continue with the shots and with the recordings. So in many cases, the GoPro is much better than the phone, but in others, it's really not. So as I said, details in recording, stuff like that, go for the iPhone. But all of the other things and like, action shots and everything like that, just use the GoPro. So I might make more videos about that, and I already did make some tutorials, so you can subscribe to this channel if you like that. But this is basically how it kind of works, right? So of course, another thing is the low light performance, which also makes the iPhone much better, right? Even though the lens is technically a little bit smaller, but yeah, on the GoPro, it's kind of grainy in the dark. So many different things and angles to look at that. So it's not that simple to answer the question of is GoPro better than iPhone? It's just not that simple. So that's it. That's my view. Just let me know below in the comments what you personally think about it, or which kind of purpose you would like to use the GoPro with, or whatever you're debating in your head. Go ahead and let me know about that in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future videos.